everyone. The noise is too much, right? Let me eliminate it. Dana! In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to eliminate background noise or unwanted noise from your video. You know that sound is very important in your videos. If your video is clear and we can hardly hear you because of the noise in the background, then definitely we're not going to enjoy the video. So that is why you need to eliminate the noise. So after watching this video, you can go ahead and shoot in the marketplace. Nothing will happen because you can easily remove the background noise. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started with the tutorials. Now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, why? Can you tell me why? What are you waiting for? Now go ahead right now and subscribe. Click on that red subscribe button. Subscription is completely free. So go ahead, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a new video. So let's dive right into it. Now the app we're going to be using for this tutorial is the CapCut app. And it is a pro feature on CapCut. You know that CapCut, made all these features pro. So you need a CapCut Pro in order to be able to do this. Now, even if you don't have all the money, like I think the current cost is 99, right? 9,900 naira. But you can actually team up with your friends, and pay, right? You can get 3 of your friends and all of you will share the view. After payment, all of you will share the login details among yourselves. After this payment, there's a way to switch account on CapCut so you can log in into the new account and you can still see everything you have been doing, right? You can still see everything you have been doing on your CapCut, like all the videos you've edited. You're still going to see all of them. After teaching you how to eliminate noise, you need a CapCut Pro for that. But I'm going to show you how you can team up with your friends so that it will be cheaper for you. Okay? At least if you can't afford 9,900 naira, you can afford 3,000 naira. Okay? There's a lot of value you can get, of course. You can be able to edit your videos for your business and all. Now, I'm going to be sharing my screen to show you how you can reduce background noise from your videos. Let's go. So for this tutorial, we're going to be using the CapCut app. So if you don't have CapCut, go ahead to Google Play Store if you're on Android or the App Store if you're on iPhone and download the CapCut app. Now, when you download the CapCut app, then tap on New Project and go ahead and import the video you want to remove the background noise. And when the video is on CapCut, all you need to do is tap on the video. When you select the video, then scroll through and get to isolate voice. Did you see? So this is the video. Everyone. You can see how noisy it is.
Hello everyone.
Let me increase the volume so you can hear me very well.
Hello everyone. The noise is too much, right? Let me eliminate it.
So now let's go ahead to eliminate the noise. So all you need to do is go to isolate voice. Isolate voice. So tap on isolate voice and then tap on keep voice. This will enable CapCut to keep the voice like the original voice, right? So tap on keep voice. So this will eliminate all the noise, all the unwanted noise on the background, and it will keep the main voice. So you can see right now that the voice has been eliminated.
Hello everyone. The noise is too much, right?
Like I told you, the isolate voice feature is a pro feature, so you can't use it or else you pay. But if you can't afford it, you can split the bill with your friends. When you do, just head over to the CapCut profile at the top and log in the new details. And when you do, you can see everything, like everything on your CapCut, that all the videos you've been editing before, you can see everything. The only difference is that it's now going to be a pro account.
That is it on how to eliminate background noise from your videos. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe. Yes, it's very important. Click on the subscribe button and also like this video. Now, if you have any questions, drop it in the comments and I'm going to attend to that. So, thank you for watching and see you in my next video.